Hola. ¿Está Manuel?
¿Quién eres?
Solamente quiero hablar con él.
¿Te puedo ayudar en algo?
¿Con quién hablas?
¿Quién es Manuel?
Luego te explico.
No tenía tu número de teléfono.
I did not expect this. It's been a very long time.
I know.
You're all grown up now, Gabriela. How did you find me?
It wasn't easy.
You always had a good head on your shoulders. Even as a little girl, you always did good in school.
I need to talk to you.
Just now, you looked just like your mother.
Really?
Yes, very much. You could almost be her twin.
Thank you. I need to ask you a question.
Of course.
Why did you leave us? I'm just trying to understand why you would just go like that.
Okay. Because one day, I looked at your mother and you and realized you both didn't mean anything to me anymore. I know it's hard to understand, but I wasted time being with you and her. And she fucking dies and leaves me with you, who I never wanted. Any more questions? You don't need to come back.
Un ratito. Hey, ahí te hablo. What happened, girl? What happened?
You should have listened to him. He was right the whole time. I gotta drive back home tonight.
Fuck that. You're not gonna drive home. It's too late and you're too upset. Yo, let me help you. You gotta calm down, though. We'll do something to get this out of your mind. I'll drive.
Only really was a 10 tucked away.
Hey, mi amiga Gabriel. Hi. Hi, how are you? She's here from Arizona.
Oye, nunca había visto una sonrisa aquí. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Con razón estás tan guapa? Gabriela.
Don Miguel, gracias por